This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the autosave preferences in VS Code. Let me jump over to VS Code here. I have VS Code opened up now. VS Code has a autosave feature, and by default it is not enabled. To enable it, you want to go up to the upper left hand corner, up to the File tab, click on File, and then go down to where it says Autosave and click on Autosave. If Autosave has a check to the left side of it, that means it's already enabled. As you can see, mine doesn't. I'm going to click on it. Now Autosave is enabled. And by default, if you have Autosave enabled, it will autosave everything that you do after 1 second. But you can change the preferences on how it autosaves, and the way to do that, you'll go back up to the File tab, click on File, and then go down to where it says Preferences. Then you'll go straight off to the right and up to where it says Settings. Click on Settings. Then in the search bar up top, you want to type in Autosave. And then the very first thing up here, Autosave, by default it's after delay. And down below that, Autosave delay, by default it's 1000 milliseconds, that's 1 second. You can change this to whatever number you want. If I wanted it to change after 5 seconds, I would change it to 5000 milliseconds. But you could go back up to the top here, this after delay, you could click this drop down. You can turn off autosave here. By default it's set to after delay. You can change it to on focus change, and what that means is when you're on VS Code and you change to a different file on VS Code, it will automatically save your file. Or you could change it to on window change. If you're on VS Code and you decide to go to your browser, it will automatically save your VS Code files when you go to your browser. But I'm going to leave mine on after delay, and my delay is 5 seconds. That is how to change the autosave preferences in VS Code. Thanks for watching.